Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. I'm here to show you the very best way to prepare rusted metal so that when you paint it, it is a beautiful, fast, long-lasting job. It's paint rusted metal, get rid of sticky phosphoric acid off of a painted surface. Seawall cap. It's been painted many years ago, so it's got a lot of paint on it that still is adhered, but there's a lot of rust. So I've used a phosphoric acid that I've applied using just a hot dog roller cover. So when I applied the phosphoric acid, it chemically converts the rusted metal, a roller pan and the phosphoric acid, and it's like water. So I just rolled it on the seawall here and on the face. Then I used an inexpensive brush to force it in around some of the bolts and things you can't see from the top here. So when I applied the phosphoric acid, it chemically converts the rusted metal to steel in a way that it's pulling the oxygen out, so that when you take and do that, it prepares this rusted metal to the best possible surface you can get for a long-lasting finish. So once I applied this on, I came back the next day and I found where the phosphoric acid was on painted surface, it stayed tacky. It dried up good where there was rusted metal, but whereas here on the painted surface it was tacky, and I was afraid my paint wouldn't adhere properly. So phosphoric acid, being a water-based acid and biodegradable, good for using around water because it breaks down so well, I used a scrub brush, a bucket of water, and I simply took and dosed this with water and rinsed it. This was the day after. This was 24 hours later. In the sun, that water evaporated, and in an hour, my painted surface was no longer tacky. A lot of all my tools have handles on them. I don't bend over. My little whiz roller, a tray, and some oil-based paint, and I was able to paint the top and the face of this angle iron here. The paint dried beautiful. It was able to stick to the old paint. I have now put on a finish on my seawall. This cap should last 15 more years. I won't have to worry about rust bleeding through. The phosphoric acid killed the rust. I used an industrial oil-based paint, very durable, 2 coats. It's paint rusted metal. Get rid of sticky phosphoric acid off of a painted surface and do a job quick and easy from Mr. Hardware.